the rest of the walls up in the living room, family room, whatever room. Got an AC unit put in. Got the floor down in the utility room. It's all ready to go. Bedroom, got one wall left to do. Got the other wall done. Another AC unit. Vanity. Medicine cabinet. Light. All working in the bathroom. Got the kitchen sink running. So we've got the loft walls to finish. Couple ceilings. And the bedroom wall and ceiling. That's about it. I also have the wall cabinets, couldn't get them installed. Need a hand doing that, hopefully next weekend. Those will go up there, and that will be it.